Hey guys, it's Marcus and today I would like to show you difference between mainline and super treasure hunt. Alright, so let's start it. First the mainline and the card. If you can see, there is no difference, only image on the car because it's different color, yeah, but the card, there is nothing between the difference, between us. This is the super treasure hunt from 2013, so it's before they start print the gold symbol of flame on the back on the card, because if you see, this is the super treasure hunt from, I think it's last year or 2 years ago. So yeah, and if you see on the back, you got the gold circle of the flame. That's mean you find a super treasure hunt, or if you find silver, that's mean you find the treasure hunt. The treasure hunt as well, they've got this circle of flame on the body of the car from one of the point, like here you can see is the small. From super treasure hunt you don't find the circle, but you find TH, like this super hunt, sorry, my line, like super treasure hunt, so you can see we got TH on the car. The other things, we got the wheels, the tires, you can see the ribbon tires. Okay, let's open. I just cut so they be more easy to show you. So the symbol is there, you can see different spectacle flame of the painting, and you can see tires. So super treasure hunt versus mainline. This is the mainline. So you can see the plastic tires, no symbol, nothing, versus super treasure. This is the difference, yeah. Now I show you another two cars. So this is the very popular Hot Wheels last, I think 2-3 years ago. This is the mainline, and this one is super treasure hunt. So you can see we got the symbol, gold symbol on the back, and here this TH symbol is on the back on the car, like here. You got it. It's a specific one. So it's really hard to find the different, but definitely is the different color of the car. You can see the difference now. Super treasure hunt and mainline. Again, the tires. Sorry. You can see the plastic one Reverse. I hope this video be helpful to tell you and understand the difference between the mainline and super treasure hunt. The treasure hunt, that's what I say, is the difference. It's just only silver circle of the flame on the back. And sometimes you ask me the question if it's the tires, rubber tires like here, and is the paint, if that means it's super treasure hunt. No, this type of the car is the premium cars. It's the special edition, very limited series with cars, a set of the cars who give them, and it's more expensive. The difference between the premium and the super treasure hunt is, for premium you need to pay like $5 to $8 per car, and super treasure hunt and mainline, they are the same price. So you can find in the box, in the mainline or on the pack, the difference is the circle, the paint and the tires. More important things, and the simple gauge like you have here. Thanks for watching and have a good day.
Let it go.